Okay, let's try this simplification of exponents here, and let's just see if we can do it. You know, the whole trick is you turn these into prime factors. So that 6 is going to be 2 times 3. That's going to be 3 times squared. That, I think, is going to be 3 cubed. 2 times 3 cubed. That's 2 squared. And that's how we got started here. That's where this came from. So we have, where did this come from? This 9, it's really 3, it's really, oops, sorry. Let's do it from the top here. So we've got 6 to the 6n. That's really 3 times 2. So it's 3 to the 6n and 2 to the 6n. So it's 3 times 2, and that exponent sits on both of them. Okay, so that's why you've got that. This is really 3 squared, and 3 squared, 2 times 3n, there's 3 to the 6n. Now this is 2 times 3 cubed. Well, 3 cubed, that's 3 times 4, that's 3 to the 12th n. And 2 to the first power to the 4n, that's just 2 to the 4n. And that's 2 squared, so the 2 gets multiplied by 2n and minus 2. There we go. We got everything here. Now all we do is, let's just look at the 3's. And you add the exponents on top and subtract the exponent on the bottom. That's how you do it. Take the 2's and you 6n on the top and subtract the exponents on the bottom. But because you're subtracting minus 4, it turns into a plus 4. Well, that's going to be your answer. Oh, look, 12n minus 12n, it's 3 to the 0. That's just 1. 6n minus 6n, that's just 0, plus 4, 2 to the 4th. That's just 16. So there you go. Now, this one's a little bit different. It's a little trickier. You see that 2 to the end? It's in all of these things. And what you have to do is factor it out. 2 to the n times 3 to the 2 to the first power. So 3 times 2. 2 to the n times 3 to the 2. And then 2 to the n times 2 squared. Hey, we just factor it out here. You see 2 to the n times 3 times 2. That's what's left here. 3 times 2 to the 1. We factor out the 2 to the n. It comes out here. And 2 to the n times minus 1. Oh, that gives you that part. So we factor it out, and that lovely thing called factoring and canceling happens. See, anything divided by itself, it's gone. That's 6 plus 4, that's 10, over 6 minus 1, that's 5. 10 divided by 5, hey, the answer is 2. And there you go.